brisk, brisk. Quick and active. It can describe walking or speaking. We took a brisk walk in the park. She gave a brisk answer and left. Witty, witty. Clever and funny. It describes someone who makes smart, funny remarks. His witty joke made everyone laugh. She's known for her witty comments. Jolly, jolly. Cheerful, happy. It is used to describe someone in a good mood. We had a jolly afternoon at the park. He felt jolly after hearing the good news. Grumble, grumble. To complain in a low voice. It is a quiet way of showing unhappiness. He grumbled about the long line. She always grumbles when she's tired. Clumsy, clumsy. Not careful, often makes mistakes with hands or movement. It is used for people who are awkward in movement. I felt clumsy when I tripped on the stairs. She is clumsy with her hands and breaks things. Stumble, stumble. To trip or almost fall. It happens when your foot hits something. She stumbled on the stairs. I stumbled over a rock while walking. Gloomy, gloomy. Dark, sad, or depressing. It can describe weather or feelings. The room looked gloomy without lights. He felt gloomy after the bad news. Rattle, rattle. To make a fast shaking sound. It is often used for objects shaking or making noise. The window rattled in the wind. The old train rattled as it moved down the tracks. Tidy, tidy. Clean and well organized. It is the opposite of messy. She keeps her room tidy. Make sure everything is tidy before guests arrive. Timid, timid. Shy, not confident. It describes someone who avoids attention. She spoke in a timid voice during the presentation. He was too timid to ask for help. Nod, nod. To move your head up and down. It is a way of saying yes or showing agreement. She nodded to show she understood. I nodded my head to encourage him to continue. Faint, faint. Weak, barely noticeable, or to lose consciousness. It can mean weak sound, light, or even to lose consciousness. I heard a faint noise outside. He almost fainted during the long meeting.